You're fired. 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 You're all fired. All four are fired.
Have you noticed? These days, everyone seems to be doing more, but with fewer managers. That manager who once sat between you and your boss, approving reports, holding review meetings, may soon be history.
Major companies are slashing jobs and impacting tens of thousands of workers across the country. We're talking big names like Amazon and Target. Some companies point to rising operational costs from new tariffs. Others are restructuring their corporate teams or redirecting money to artificial intelligence.
In fact, according to 2025 Gartner study, by next year, 1 out of 5 global companies will use AI to remove almost half their middle management layers. The corporate pyramid, the one we grew up believing in, is quietly collapsing. So what's really happening? And is it good or bad news for you? Before we further delve into this topic, please do consider subscribing to the channel if the subjects of business, finance and economy are of your interest. Now let's rewind a bit. For decades, business success used to mean hierarchy. Top management to set direction, middle management to monitor and control, and frontline employees to execute. It worked in a slower and paper-driven world. But the world changed. Speed changed. Today, companies like Amazon, Tesla, and Unilever operate in real time, not quarterly cycles. Decisions can't wait for 5 approval signatures anymore. So the question became, why so many layers? And the flattening began.
Get your shit and get out. You're done.
What are you gonna fire me?
No! I already fired you! Why are you still here?
When Meta announced its year of efficiency in 2023, it cut about 10,000 roles, and mostly middle managers. Google followed, reorganizing its product teams by removing managers who used to manage managers. And Korn Ferry's 2024 analysis showed job postings for middle management roles have dropped by about 40% since 2022. Why? Because AIs, dashboards, and collaborative softwares now do what managers once did: tracking, reporting, and approving. Even Intel's new CEO in 2025 announced flattening to save $500 million in management overheads. The message was clear: middle layers slow the things down, and in the world chasing speed, slow is expensive. So which layers are quietly disappearing? Assistant and deputy managers, who often do coordination and not decision making. Functional supervisors, replaced by AI dashboards tracking work in the real time. Zonal or regional heads, made redundant by analytics dashboard and remote control centers. The report found that each unnecessary management layer adds about 10 to 15% to operational cost without increasing any output. So companies trimmed. And yes, the corporate structures became faster, leaner and cheaper, but also sometimes lonelier. Because when you remove middle managers, something else breaks. Korn Ferry found 37% of employees in flattened organizations feel directionless. And Wall Street Journal, in its 2025 report, reports that today's average manager handles 15 direct reports, triple of a decade ago. So yes, hierarchies are gone, but so are mentors. The office shock absorbers, those middle managers who coached, mediated, and translated top strategy, are missing. And suddenly everyone is running faster, but not everybody knows what direction they are running in. But evolution doesn't always mean extinction. The future manager isn't a supervisor. They are coach, connector, and culture carrier. At Microsoft, managers are now called people leaders, focusing on coaching and mentoring, and that includes their team well-being. Unilever runs agile pods, small agile teams led by mentors and not controllers. A McKinsey 2024 study showed that teams with strong coaching managers have 25% higher productivity and engagement. So the new hierarchy isn't about who approves your leave, it's about who helps you grow. So yes, pyramid is flattening, but leadership is not vanishing. It's evolving from command to collaboration, from authority to empathy, from managing people to enabling performance. If you are a manager watching this, your job isn't to fear AI or flattened organizations. Your job is to reinvent yourself from supervisor to strategic enabler, because the companies that thrive next wouldn't be the flattest ones. They will be the ones where every layer still adds value. Well, are you an executive, manager, or senior manager? Do let me know in the comments. And you may also feel free to write me about your professional fears about your hierarchy and organization. And I will write back to you on what holds for you in future, given the organization, industry, and the level of hierarchy you are working on. Do write in the comments and do share it with someone who may need to know. Be inspired, keep building.